to my channel. Today I'll be doing my hair tutorial. If you want this hair, follow. I'm going to show you, I haven't shown you the result yet. So after the result, it's not like that. It's way prettier. Then now there's a bug in the bathroom and I can't kill it. Be dead already, be dead already, be dead already. Okay, he's dead. There's blood. I don't care. So, let's start the hair tutorial. I'm gonna close the door if my mom disturbs me. So, let's do the hair tutorial. So first, wash your hair. Wash your hair. Wash your hair. And I'm using the sink because I have nowhere to wash. Only you wash the back of your hair. Don't wash the rest of your hair. So now. Now, if you have any supplies that will make your hair dry, use it, and then after a few, it will look like this. It's not completely dry, but grab some lotion, and put it in your head. I'm using Aveeno for this because I'm using not a lot because I do not waste this. This is actually very expensive, so I'm going to have this much. This is the least I can do because I love wasting things. But this is actually pretty expensive, so now your hair might smell a bit so fun, and wash your hair again. And now it's. And then your hair might look like this. This is fine. This is fine, actually. This is actually fine. And then your hair, straighten your hair with a brush. This is going to take forever. And brush. Grab all your hair and start brushing. Oh yeah, it's stuck. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Okay, yeah. It's done and it's so cute, and do this, and then your hair might look like this, and shake it till you can't feel the wet on your hand. Okay, no more wet. It's time to see the result. Okay, not bad. That's not bad. That's actually not bad. It's kind of cute. Or if you want to be a little extra, put more lotion. Well, I'm not gonna do that because just kidding. I'm doing it because my hair kind of looks like a mess. So it will look like a mess. Add more lotion. Add a lot of lotion. That wasn't enough. Oh my god, my mom's gonna kill me if I use stuff. I just bought this yesterday. I just went. And you could dance like this. You could dance like this. It's kind of cute. It straightens my hair a little bit. And after that, wash your hands. And put some water on here again. And it's done. Oh my god, I kind of Subscribe if you want more hair tutorial.